When it comes to safeguarding your home, the importance of a solid, reliable door cannot be overstated. Whether you're moving into a new home or simply looking to upgrade your existing security, door installation in Sugar Land offers a valuable opportunity to enhance your home's safety and security. Not only do high-quality doors contribute to the aesthetic appeal of your home, but they also play a crucial role in protecting your property and loved ones. Here's how investing in professional door installation in Sugar Land can significantly improve your home's security. Enhanced strength and durability. One of the most important factors in home security is the strength of your doors. Weak or worn-out doors, especially those with flimsy materials, are often easy targets for burglars and intruders. A professional door installation in Sugar Land ensures that your doors are made from high-quality, durable materials that are resistant to force and wear. Modern security doors are designed with reinforced frames and tough, impact-resistant surfaces to withstand break-in attempts. For instance, solid wood doors, steel doors, or fiberglass doors are popular choices for homeowners looking to boost security. These materials provide greater resistance against forced entry compared to older, traditional doors. By choosing the right door material and having it professionally installed, you can significantly lower the risk of unauthorized access to your home. Improved locking system. In addition to the door itself, the locking system is a vital component of home security. Many older doors are equipped with outdated or weak locks, which can be easily compromised by experienced intruders. With door installation in Sugar Land, you can take advantage of the latest advancements in locking technology, including multi-point locking systems, deadbolts, smart locks, and high-security lock sets. Smart locks, for example, allow you to control access to your home remotely, monitor entry and exit activity, and receive alerts if the door is tampered with. Installing a door with a high-quality, modern locking system provides peace of mind knowing that your home is well secured, even when you're not there. Better protection against weather and intruders. In Sugar Land, homeowners must also consider the elements when securing their homes. Extreme heat, heavy rain, and even occasional storms can take a toll on a door's structural integrity. High-quality door installation can prevent weather-related damage that might weaken your door and make it more vulnerable to break-ins. For instance, insulated doors not only help regulate the temperature inside your home but also offer better resistance to the elements, preventing the door from warping or becoming less secure over time. Additionally, well-installed doors can help eliminate small gaps and weak points around the edges, making it harder for intruders to slip through or tamper with the frame. A properly installed door seals tightly, keeping unwanted guests and environmental factors out. Aesthetic and curb appeal without compromising security. A common misconception is that secure doors are only available in plain, utilitarian styles. However, modern door installation in Sugar Land offers a variety of aesthetically pleasing options that do not compromise on security. You can select doors that enhance your home's curb appeal while simultaneously increasing its safety. Whether you prefer a sleek modern design or a classic wooden finish, there are secure doors available to match any style of home. Choosing a well-designed, robust door can complement your property's exterior while providing an extra layer of protection against potential intruders. This dual benefit ensures that you don't have to sacrifice your home's visual appeal for enhanced security. Deterrent effect on potential intruders. The mere presence of a sturdy, secure door can act as a deterrent to burglars and intruders. Criminals are more likely to target homes with visible signs of vulnerability, such as aging doors, flimsy locks, or broken frames. By installing a high-quality, well-secured door, you make your home less appealing to potential threats. Security doors with features like reinforced steel frames, glass breakage sensors, or visible security decals send a clear message that your home is protected. Intruders may think twice about targeting a property with high-end security measures in place, knowing that they are less likely to succeed without drawing attention. Increased privacy and peace of mind. New door installations can also increase your privacy, an often overlooked aspect of home security. Doors with reinforced glass or opaque sections limit the ability of outsiders to peer into your home, protecting both your privacy and your family's sense of security. You'll feel safer knowing that potential threats can't easily see inside, whether you're in the living room or bedrooms. With professional door installation, you're not just upgrading your security, you're also investing in your family's peace of mind. Knowing that your home is properly secured gives you confidence, whether you're home or away. Conclusion. Investing in professional door installation in Sugar Land is one of the most effective ways to enhance your home's security. From stronger materials and advanced locking systems to better weather resistance and aesthetic appeal, new doors offer a comprehensive solution to protect your home and loved ones. Take the first step toward a safer, more secure home by upgrading your doors today.